Ever wondered how outdoor advertising LCD displays are made? Well, you've come to the right place. These dynamic displays have become a ubiquitous part of our urban landscapes, brightening up city streets, shopping malls, and transport hubs with vibrant visuals. They're more than just screens. They're powerful communication tools that connect businesses with consumers, providing real-time updates and eye-catching advertisements. But have you ever stopped to think about how they come to life? This video will take you on a journey, a step-by-step walkthrough of the entire production process of an outdoor advertising LCD display. From the initial design stage, where creativity meets technology, to the rigorous quality assurance and testing phase, and finally, the installation and maintenance of these impressive displays. Each stage is crucial, ensuring that the final product is not just functional, but reliable and visually stunning. So, are you ready to delve into the world of outdoor advertising LCD displays? Stay tuned to get a behind-the-scenes look at how these fascinating pieces of technology are created. The journey of an outdoor advertising LCD display starts in the design phase. This stage is where the magic begins, as engineers and designers collaborate to bring the concept to life. Armed with an intricate blend of creativity and technical prowess, they utilize computer-aided design or CAD software to meticulously design the structure of the display. The beauty of CAD is that it allows for a three-dimensional visualization of the display, ensuring accuracy and precision in every detail. The design process is not just about aesthetics. It's a careful balance of form and function. Every pixel, every line, every curve is considered with the end user in mind. The goal is to create a display that not only captivates the audience with its vibrant visuals, but also stands the test of time. But the challenge doesn't end there. Designers must also take into account the weather and location conditions where the display will be installed. Will it be exposed to harsh sunlight or heavy rainfall? Will it be installed in a bustling city center or a quiet suburban area? These factors significantly influence the design decisions. For instance, a display intended for a sunny location will need a brighter screen and UV-resistant materials, while a display for a rainy area will need to be waterproof. Moreover, the design process also involves considering the display's power consumption, heat dissipation, and maintenance ease. The aim is to create a product that is not just visually stunning, but also energy efficient, durable, and easy to maintain. The design stage is a meticulous process of trial and error, of innovation and ingenuity. It's a dance of science and art, where every decision carries weight, every detail matters. It's where the engineer's creativity meets their technical knowledge to create a display that is not just a piece of technology, but a work of art. Once the design is finalized, it's time to move on to the production phase. The production phase is where the design comes to life. Just like a painter with a palette of colors, our skilled technicians bring together a variety of components to create the outdoor advertising LCD displays. Let's start with the assembly of the LCD panel. This isn't just about fitting parts together. It's about precision, accuracy, and a keen eye for detail. Technicians carefully align the liquid crystal layer between two perfectly clean and clear glass plates. These plates are then sealed together, ensuring that the liquid crystal layer remains unharmed and undisturbed. Next comes the integration of the display driver. This is the brain of our display, controlling and coordinating the millions of pixels that make up the image. Our technicians integrate this microchip into the display, connecting it to the LCD panel. They painstakingly ensure that each pixel is in sync, providing a seamless and vibrant display. Then we move on to the installation of the backlighting. This is what makes the display visible, illuminating the liquid crystals to create the bright and vivid images that you see. Our team installs LED backlights, which offer not only brightness, but also energy efficiency and longevity. They ensure the light is evenly distributed across the entire screen, avoiding any dark spots or inconsistencies. Throughout this process, there's a constant focus on quality. Every component is inspected, every connection is tested, and every display is checked and double-checked. Our technicians don't just assemble displays, they create works of art. But the production stage isn't just about building, it's also about preparing the display for the outside world. Our displays are designed to withstand the elements, from the glaring sun to the pouring rain. We apply a protective layer to the display, making it both weather-resistant and durable. So there you have it. The production phase is more than just assembly. It's the creation of a display that's built to last, designed to impress, and ready to take on the world. With the production phase complete, the display is finally starting to take shape. Quality assurance and testing are crucial to ensuring the reliability and longevity of the outdoor advertising LCD display. Now, let's delve into the rigorous testing process that these displays undergo. It's a multifaceted process designed to evaluate the display's performance under various environmental conditions. First up, we have temperature tests. These displays are meant to be outdoor fixtures, which means they must endure all sorts of weather conditions, from the scorching heat of summer to the freezing cold of winter. To simulate these conditions, the displays are placed in specialized test chambers where they are subjected to extreme temperatures. This helps to ensure that they can function optimally even in the most challenging weather conditions. Next, we move on to humidity tests. Humidity can wreak havoc on electronic devices, causing corrosion and damage to internal components. Our outdoor advertising LCD displays, however, are designed to withstand high levels of humidity. To confirm this, they are placed in a humidity chamber where they are exposed to varying levels of moisture. This helps to ensure that the displays will continue to work flawlessly, even in areas with high humidity levels. Last but certainly not least, we have durability tests. These displays are quite an investment, and we want to make sure that they last. Durability tests are conducted to evaluate the display's resistance to physical wear and tear. They're subjected to vibrations, drops, and impact tests to ensure they can stand up to the rigors of outdoor installation and daily use. These tests are not just about meeting regulatory standards, they're about going above and beyond to ensure that our outdoor advertising LCD displays can withstand the test of time and the elements. They're about making sure that when you invest in one of our displays, you're investing in a product that's reliable, durable, and built to last. Once the display passes all tests, it's ready for installation. Installation is the final step in the journey of an outdoor advertising LCD display. The process begins with the crucial task of selecting the perfect location. This is no small feat. The location must be in a spot that maximizes visibility while also factoring in local regulations and the structure's ability to support the weight of the display. Remember, the goal is to ensure your display is seen by as many eyes as possible, but safety should never be compromised. Once the site is chosen, it's time to mount the display. This task is best left to professionals who understand the intricacies of the installation process. The display needs to be securely fastened to avoid any mishaps, using appropriate brackets and supports. It's not just about hanging a screen, it's about installing a piece of technology that's designed to withstand various weather conditions. So, precision and expertise are key here. After installation, the display's journey doesn't end. Just as a car needs regular servicing, your outdoor advertising LCD display needs maintenance. This includes regular cleaning to ensure the display remains clear and vibrant. Dust and dirt can dim the brightness and affect the display's visibility. So, keeping it clean is not just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Apart from cleaning, periodic checkups are essential. These checkups should involve inspecting the display structure for any wear and tear, verifying the display's functionality, and ensuring all the components are working optimally. Regular software updates are also important to keep up with the latest features and security patches. Maintenance might seem like a tedious task, but it's the secret ingredient that keeps your outdoor advertising LCD display running smoothly for years. It ensures that your investment continues to return value, drawing the attention of the public day after day, year after year. And just like that, a new outdoor advertising LCD display is ready to catch the public's eye. So, that's how an outdoor advertising LCD display is made. In the blink of an eye, we've journeyed through the intricate process that breathes life into these vibrant displays. Starting from the design stage, where creativity meets technology, the concept for each display is meticulously crafted. It's here that the foundation for the display's functionality and aesthetics is laid down. Next, we ventured into the production stage, where the design blueprint transforms into a tangible product. It's the stage where each component, each circuit, each pixel is carefully assembled to ensure the display functions seamlessly. Then we delved into the rigorous quality assurance and testing phase. This is where each display is put through its paces, tested under different conditions to ensure it stands up to the highest standards of performance. Finally, we touched upon the installation and maintenance, where the display finally takes its place in the outdoor environment, ready to captivate audiences. Next time you see an outdoor advertising LCD display, you'll know the journey it's been on to get there.